On August 9, 1971, India and the Soviet Union signed the Indo-Soviet Treaty of Friendship and Cooperation, a 20-year-old agreement emphasizing mutual respect and peaceful coexistence. Both nations pledged to respect each other's sovereignty, independence, and territorial integrity, and to support each other against external threats. They also committed to non-interference in third countries' affairs and to oppose interference in their internal matters. The treaty promoted economic, scientific, technical, and cultural cooperation and included defense collaboration such as military equipment, supply, and training. In 1993, Russia and India signed a new treaty building on these foundational principles. On August 9, 1925, revolutionaries led by Ram Prasad Bismil, Ashfaqullah Khan, Rajendra Nath Lahiri, and Thakur Roshan Singh looted a train carrying the British government treasury near Kakori, an event now known as the Kakori train action. They stole Rs 4601 to send a message that their fight was against the British government, not the common people. In response, the British launched a crackdown, arresting 40 revolutionaries and charging them with robbery and murder. Ram Prasad Bismil, Ashfaqullah Khan, and Roshan Singh were hanged on December 19, 1927, while Rajendra Nath Lahiri was hanged on December 17, 1927. Others involved received sentences ranging from 4 to 14 years of imprisonment or kalapani. On August 9, 1942, the Quit India movement began following a resolution passed on August 8, 1942 under Gandhi's leadership during the Bombay sessions of the All India Congress Committee. Gandhi's rallying cry, "Do or Die," inspired widespread protests and rallies across India. The next day, British authorities arrested almost all Congress leaders and banned the party. Gandhi was imprisoned in Aga Khan Palace, Pune. Nationwide strikes and protests erupted, and the British government responded with severe measures leading to increased violence. While the movement did not immediately secure independence, it significantly weakened British control. India eventually gained independence on August 15, 1947.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी।
On August 9, 1945, the US dropped an atomic bomb on Nagasaki, Japan, marking the second nuclear attack during the World War II. Earlier, on August 6, 1945, Hiroshima had been bombed. On 11:02 a.m., the American B-29 bomber dropped the Fat Man bomb on Nagasaki, which was based on the plutonium-239 and had an explosive power equivalent to 21 kilotons of TNT. The bombing killed approximately 40,000 to 75,000 people instantly, with many more dying later from radiation effects. This led Japan to surrender on August 15, 1945, with the official surrender document signed on September 2, 1945, ending World War II. World Tribal Day, celebrated on August 9th each year, aims to protect the rights of tribal communities, preserve their culture, and raise awareness about their challenges. Established by the United Nations General Assembly in 1994, this date marks the first meeting of the UN Working Group on Tribal Population in 1982. The day celebrates the diversity and cultural heritage of tribal communities and highlights their rights. Global events including art exhibitions, music, dance, and traditional activities are held. The United Nations also organizes seminars and discussions to address issues related to tribal rights and their protections.
In a world overflowing with information where news travels faster than light, it's time to redefine the way we consume news and entertainment. Stay ahead with the latest from around the globe, from the pages of history to the top interviews, blogs to podcasts. Find all exclusive stories in one place, the Rhythm app. Uncover a world of entertainment with exclusive web series, captivating short reels, and live moments through trending videos. For the sports enthusiasts and tech savvy, we've got you covered with top reviews from the business. Get ready for the ultimate experience. Download now Rhythm app, where every story matters.